What's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey reporting for Mullica morning weather. Today is a high of 72 and a low of 50, and it's sunny. Here's a summer fact. Did you know the more sunny days there are mean that summer is coming? See you guys tomorrow and happy National Superhero Day. On my way.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Monday, June 3rd, 2019. Here are your morning announcements.
The PTA Book Fair is happening now through June 6th. Come check out all the great summer reads before summer break begins.
The 3rd and 7th grade field trips are on Tuesday, June 4th.
Kindness Week has started. Support Mia Polarito and show kindness each day this week. Today is Superhero Day, and tomorrow will be Fan of the Kindness. Wear your favorite sports team or literary character gear. Wednesday is Kindness is Cool. Make sure to wear your sunglasses. Then on Thursday, wear your fake mustaches. Finally, Friday, band up for kindness and wear your favorite band or artist t-shirt.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Coyotes. Enjoy your day.
Bye!
Happy birthday.